If you're deciding between Cursor Pro and Cursor Ultra, this isn't about features. It's almost entirely about usage and scale. So is Ultra actually worth it? Let's break it down. Cursor Pro is the standard plan for most developers. You get access to top AI models, agent features, and enough usage for daily coding, debugging, and small to medium projects. It's designed to cover typical workflows without hitting limits too often, and for most users, it does exactly that. The biggest advantage is value. You get strong AI capabilities at a low monthly cost. The downside is limits. If you use AI heavily every day, you'll eventually hit usage caps or need to pay extra. Cursor Ultra is built for power users. It includes everything in Pro, but with around 20x more usage and priority access to new features. That means you can run agent mode constantly, work on large code bases, and generate massive amounts of code without worrying about limits. It's designed for developers doing heavy automation, large-scale refactoring, or non-stop AI-assisted coding. The trade-off is obvious. It's 10 times more expensive, and most people won't come close to using that much capacity. So the real difference is this. Cursor Pro is for normal usage, while Cursor Ultra is for high-volume, non-stop AI workflows. If you code casually, build small projects, or use AI as a helper, Cursor Pro is more than enough. If you're constantly hitting limits, running agents all day, or working on large-scale projects, Ultra can actually save you money and time. Bottom line, Cursor Ultra is not worth it for most people. It only makes sense if you're a heavy, daily power user who fully utilizes the 20x usage increase. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.